Hi, Akita.
Right? They gave me... I'm not an Akita, I'm a Chihuahua Min Pin. Where did I get the name Akita from?
They didn't know that there was such a breed, I was told.
Well, what they do, just hear it one day and say, oh, that sounds great.
I think maybe.
Akitas are bigger than me, way bigger.
I know. I said, well, she should be big and fluffy with a curled tail, but you know, instead we have a 5-pound little thing.
Yep. And they gave me up and I'm 10 years old.
No, actually you're 11.
Oh, I'm 11.
Yeah,
Did I have a birthday?
You did have a birthday.
I must have missed it.
The vet found a record from way back, so yeah, we actually had a birth date on you now.
Oh,
so,
really?
You're a young 11.
I know dogs like me can live to be like 18.
18?
I'm in the prime of my life.
Well, I don't know about that, but...